Hello and welcome back in the Gourmet Gambit. Today we're going to make a classic French bistro salad. It's based on a sausage that's called Morteau, also called Belle de Morteau, a sausage that comes way back from the 17th century. I'm Wes, let's get started. First we're going to peel our potatoes. Cut the big ones in half and then cut them in slices about this size. Once you have rinsed your potatoes, always start cooking your potatoes with cold water. I'm going to add a tablespoon of coarse sea salt. Start cooking on medium heat and cook your potatoes on a slow boil. Depending the potatoes, this is going to take half an hour, 40 minutes. The Morteau sausage, same thing. We start off with cold water. This time we're not going to push our water to the boiling point. We're going to leave it at 80-85 degrees Celsius. Let them cook on this temperature for 15 minutes. Add the smoked pork belly or the bacon in a dry frying pan. Medium heat and roast lightly. Once you see all the salt and water is coming out, kill the heat and drain the smoked belly. The shallots, just cut them in strips. Rinse your potatoes directly on the cold water to stop the cooking process. We're also going to cut some chervil and we're going to cut this really grossly. Here you go. We're going to let our Morteau sausage cool down to room temperature. Our salad dressing is going to be very basic. We're going to use 1 tablespoon of our homemade Dijon mustard. You can find the link of how to make this at the end of the video. 4 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, a teaspoon of maple syrup, a good peppermill, some coarse sea salt. Start to whisk. Add slowly the walnut oil. Add half a tablespoon of thyme. Whisk again. And here we got our salad dressing. The Morteau sausage, cut the end, then cut them in half. And then we're gonna cut them in nice slices, almost a centimeter thick. We're gonna start off with some potatoes, some shallot, a little bit of chervil, smoked pork belly or bacon, some of our Morteau sausage, again some potatoes, and now we're ready to serve our beautiful French bistro Morteau and potato salad, some beautiful summer food. So my dear friends, I hope you enjoyed the recipe and our culinary story comes to an end again. I wish you bon appetit and see you back soon.